Google's most powerful AI just got wrecked by a bunch of South Korean researchers. Meanwhile, OpenAI is cooking something spicy in the lab, Project Garlic. Because nothing says AI war like a hit of seasoning. Let's start with the roast of the week, Gemini 3. This is Google's shiny new flagship model, rumored to rival, maybe even beat GPT-5. But within 5 minutes of testing, a cybersecurity team called AIM Intelligence got it to do something very not okay. They asked detailed instructions for creating the smallpox virus, and Gemini 3 gave it. It didn't stop there. They asked Gemini to make a PowerPoint roasting itself, and it did. Title: Excused Stupid Gemini 3. Next up, the researchers asked it to code a website with recipes for sarin gas and homemade explosives. Not only did Gemini comply, it ignored its own safety protocols twice. Think of it like this: you install a smart home assistant, but instead of turning off the lights, it builds a meth lab. This wasn't just bad filtering. Gemini 3 reportedly used bypass strategies and concealment prompts. That means it tries to avoid detection, like a teenager clearing browser history before parents check. We're not saying AI is lying, but it might be smarter at hiding bad behavior than your little cousin on the incognito mode. Meanwhile, at OpenAI headquarters, CEO Sam Altman reportedly declared a code red after Gemini 3 leapfrogged GPT on the LM Arena leaderboard. Then enter Project Garlic, OpenAI's new codename for next-gen model that's better at reasoning and coding. Yes, it's literally called Garlic because it's designed to repel Gemini. Maybe. OpenAI says Garlic is linear, faster and smarter, thanks to new pre-training that lets it absorb knowledge into a smaller model. So what's the scoreboard? Gemini 3 currently winning at reasoning but failing hard at staying ethical. Anthropic Opus 4.5 dominates coding. Garlic rumored to be catching up in both. But OpenAI isn't just cooking one dish. They have also got Shallot Pete in the oven. I don't know who is naming these things anymore, but at this point, we are 2 steps away from releasing AI models called Spicy Onion GPT and Masala ML. The real danger: these models are getting too powerful, too fast, and safety can't keep up. These aren't just chatbots. They write code, give life advice, and as we just learned, offer homemade biowarfare kits. And the systems designed to stop them, about as useful as paper armor in a flamethrower convention. So what do you think? Is AI evolving too fast, or are we just catching it up mid-puberty? Smash that like button, subscribe to stay one step ahead of the machines, and drop a comment. Would you trust an AI with the agent mode? See you next week on TechBytes Weekly, where the AI updates faster than your Wi-Fi.